If you want to turn a normal photo into a realistic oil painting effect in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple, non-destructive workflow that gives you a painterly look without permanently damaging your original image. We'll set the file up correctly, add a texture base, apply the oil paint filter, and then fine-tune the results so it looks polished and natural. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Photoshop tips and effects. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop. The very first thing we want to do is protect the original layer, because once you start applying filters, you want the freedom to come back and adjust things later. So go to your Layers panel, right-click on the image layer, and choose Convert to Smart Object. You'll see a small icon appear on the layer thumbnail, which means your image is now wrapped in a non-destructive container. This is a great habit in Photoshop because it gives you flexibility and keeps your workflow clean. Now that the image is converted, we're going to prepare the surface texture before applying the actual paint effect. This step helps break up the overly sharp digital look and makes the final result feel more organic. Go up to the top menu and select Filter, then Stylize, and then Diffuse. In the dialog box that appears, change the mode at the bottom to anisotropic. That setting helps push pixels into a more natural blended pattern instead of leaving them looking too crisp or computer generated. Once that's set, click OK. At this point, the image should already feel a little less digital, but the real transformation happens next. Go back to the top menu and select Filter, then Stylize, and then Oil Paint. This is the main effect that creates the brushstroke look and gives your photo that painted, artistic finish. A larger settings window will open, and this is where you can shape the style of the final effect. Let's start with Stylization. Set this fairly high, somewhere between 6 and 8. A higher stylization value creates longer, smoother, more dramatic strokes, which is what gives the image that classic oil painting feel. If you want the effect to look more expressive and artistic, keep this on the higher side. Next is Cleanliness. Set this between 5 and 7. Cleanliness helps smooth out digital noise and makes the paint look more refined and professionally blended. If this is too low, the effect can look gritty or noisy. If it's higher, the output usually looks cleaner and more like real paint that has been spread evenly across a canvas. Then adjust Scale. A value between 1 and 2 usually works well. This controls the thickness and overall size of the brush texture. Smaller values create finer strokes, while slightly higher values can make the paint feel more visible and layered. For most photos, staying in that range gives a balanced result without making the image look overly distorted. After that, lower bristle detail to somewhere between 1 and 3. This keeps the individual brush lines from becoming too busy. You want the painting effect to look smooth and controlled, not cluttered with too many tiny details. Lower bristle detail usually helps the main shapes and lighting stand out better. If you want a more dimensional and realistic painted look, check the lighting box. This adds a subtle embossed effect to the edges of the paint, which can make the whole image feel more tactile and three-dimensional. You can also adjust the lighting angle so it matches the direction of the light in your original photo. That small detail can make a big difference because it helps the effect look like it belongs naturally in the scene. Once everything looks good, click OK to apply the filter. And because we converted the layer into a smart object earlier, the oil paint effect is still editable. That means if you decide later that the effect is too strong or too soft, you can go back and change it without starting over. Now let's do a little final refinement. If the oil paint effect feels a bit too intense, especially on important areas like the face or key subject details, you can reduce the strength without removing the effect entirely. In the Layers panel, look for the Filter Blending options attached to the Smart Object. Double-click the Filter Blending options icon next to the oil paint effect. From there, lower the opacity to around 85%. That brings a small amount of the original photo detail back into the image while still keeping the painterly style. This is a really useful finishing step because it helps you strike the right balance between artistic and realistic. Sometimes the full strength effect can be a little too strong, and lowering the opacity just slightly makes the image look much more natural and professional. And that's it. You now know how to make an oil paint effect in Photoshop using a smart, non-destructive workflow. We started by protecting the image as a smart object, added a diffuse texture base, applied the oil paint filter, and then softened the result with blending adjustments for a better final look. This method works great for portraits, creative edits, social media graphics, and artistic photo transformations. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn Photoshop effects. And if you want more easy step-by-step Photoshop tutorials, stay tuned because I've got plenty more coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.